Okay, so we're gonna launch cooking. This is the old one with the original spinner. This is the new one with the animated strawberry. They load about the same time. We're gonna see some differences because this one's a phone and this is an iPad, but you'll get the idea. If we refresh this, you see the animated strawberry. Performance is about the same. If you tap on one of these recipes, you see the animated strawberry, so it's loading about the same. Let's try capture now. Let's see here. It's got the animated strawberry, so performance is the same. We didn't change any code here. Rate it, not now. Sorry, it was asking me to rate the app. So anyways, these are similar comparison. Let's try that one more time. Just out of curiosity. Boom, back. And let's try this recipe here. How about boom, loading, capturing. Cookinells are working their magic. So performance is pretty much about the same. Rate it, not now. Okay.